Tara!
Pre, ara na pre. Oh, si Kulapo man oh.
Ang hirap dayaw-dayaw ni ma.
Ano man na sila man? Boss, ito ginalango-lango yan si Kulapo ah. Salik ka mo kay gamay pa yalawas, kinama mo nyo lang na.
Hindi man sa mo salita ni boss.
Tara Kulapo, sa Arcos Fitness Gym tama, gym tama.
Down at AAA where the strong ones stand. At Arcos Fitness is where you take command. Every rep counts, every step you climb. Build your body, build your better time. High and clanking loud, focus shining bright. Turn your effort into pure might.
Heavy weights in hand, no fear, no doubt. Push your limits, bring the best out. Stronger day by day, clear your mind and soul. Gain the power that makes you whole. Build your muscles,
Heavy weights,
lighter life,
stronger body.
freedom deep inside.
Arcos Fitness Gym, AAA's very own, where strength and pride are fully grown.
Ano? Handa ka na? Tara!
Wow!
Nagbaskog sila pre oh?
Nag-gym di sila ba?
Palabot.
Testing nga ni Blaluat.
Iblang kita lang din.
Bao daw nagtikal ka mo aw.
Tara! Pre, ara na pre.
Bao!
Uy, gipusdakan mo gitrio, nagkirig-kirig oh.
Ano nagpalig-alig nga mabato mong? Hoy, di ano niya?
Located at Barangay 3, Sipalay City, sa Solco Building mga kapatid.